Active income versus passive income. Hello everyone, Roancel is here of 1 Million Club. In this video, pag-usapan natin ang difference ng active income and passive income. First, let us discuss the active income. Ano ba ang active income? Active income requires regular work to achieve it. Example, teacher, dapat magturo ka para magkasweldo ka. Doctor, dapat mag-opera ka para may professional fee ka. Construction worker, dapat physically involved ka bago ka pasweldohin. Being an employee, ang tawag sa income mo, active income. Kailangan pumasok ka 8 hours every day para pasweldohin ka. Disadvantage of active income, growth is linear. Kahit na doblehin mo sipag mo sa trabaho, madalas maliit pa din ang increase sa sahod mo dahil wala ka namang control sa salary increase mo. Based yan sa budget ng kumpanya nyo. To understand this further, let us assume na starting salary mo is 20,000 per month. Assuming you have 5% salary increase per year. On year 1, 21,000 na. On year 10, 34,207 na ang salary mo per month. Figuratively, tumaas ang income mo. Pero magtataka ka kung bakit di nag-improve ang finances mo. Kasi tumataas ang bilihin per year. Ang tawag doon, inflation. Average inflation per year is 5%. So kahit tumaas sweldo mo, na-offset lang din dahil kada taon ay may inflation. Sample, pamasahin noong 2003 is 4 pesos lang. After 10 years, 2013, naging 8 pesos na. Bigas noong 2003 is 20 pesos lang. After 10 years, 2013, naging 40 pesos na. You need to understand this para makapag-strategize ka. If you rely solely on active income, think again. Active income is limited income dahil di mo control ang increase ng income mo. Like majority, you will be trapped in a rat race cycle. You earn, you spend, you earn again, you spend again, you have zero savings. Why most people fall into this income? First, it's easy to start. Second, lack of financial education. Dahil ang turo lang sa atin, you go to school, get a job, and make other people wealthy. Now let us go to passive income. Passive income is an income received on a regular basis with little effort required to maintain it. Sample, when you own a condominium, pwede mong paupahan. Then you can generate rental income every month. Or you can write a book. Every time na may bumili ng book mo, you earn royalty income. So let's discuss the other samples. You can also generate passive income if you have investment in paper assets like mutual fund or stocks. Assuming you save 3,000 per month for 20 years, your investment fund will become 3 million after 20 years. This is assuming that rate of return is 12% per year. Your 3 million will generate interest, let's say 10% per year. That's 300,000 per year or 25,000 per month. Ang tawag dyan, money working for you. You are not required to physically render service to earn 25,000 income. Another source of passive income is business. Ang maganda sa business, it's not based on age, education, gender, background. Sa business, same chance. It's 100% fair. But let me warn you, it is for motivated and committed people only. Unlike active income, passive income will give you exponential income because growth is progressive. Kung mag-start ka ng traditional business, you need to invest a lot of effort and of course, money. Yung iba nagpa-franchise para leverage na sa system. But franchising successful business like Jollibee and McDo will require you to pay millions. Regardless of your experience, age, fund, you have to start business to start your fortune. If you do business after 5 years, 10 years, you can double, triple your income depending on your goal. Doing business will give you passive income. And most importantly, time freedom. If you want to invest in paper assets like mutual funds and if you're looking for a business opportunity but you have a very limited capital, 1 Million Club is here to help you. We believe that everyone has the right to become wealthy if they have the right information. Do you want to improve your financial situation? First step is to educate yourself. We are conducting free practical money management and investment strategies in Makati and Cebu. For those located in other provinces and outside the Philippines, we are conducting webinar. 1 Million Club is here to help you. Please visit www.1millionclub.com and please subscribe if you like this video. And if you want to learn more about investments, you may also email me at roan@1millionclub.com. Thank you for watching this video.